I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. Today we are doing our Walmart beauty unboxing for fall. Alright. Fall haul. Oh, how cute. Okay. Just some information. Just letting me know this is for fall. Because it is, again, a quarterly subscription. It's only $5. The bunnies ran away. First thing is this hydration. Oh, energy multiplier. Liquid IV. I have yet to try one of these. I keep saying I'm going to do this after a night of indulging, but I keep forgetting that I have them. So, yeah. They keep that in my purse. Next, Even and Clear Ambi Facial Moisturizer with Sunscreen. This is a nice sample size. It's pretty big. I like it. Ooh, okay. See, I'm making an appointment. I've already made an appointment this weekend to get my lashes done. This could not have come at a better time. I wonder, are these like magnetic or measure, trim, add glue, wait 20 seconds. Telemarketer, thank you. No. So I'm really bad at these. So I'm probably going to give these to somebody who can do them, you know, because they know how. Because I'm horrible. That's what I'm going to have my lashes done. Just to see, just to try it, you know. Why not? I'm going on vacation with my son, so, you know. Why not? Okay. By Hemp's Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Body Moisturizer. Ooh. I like this brand. Don't know why I never buy them. Probably because I stick to the same stuff all the time. Even though I like something, if I'm not already used to it, I sometimes won't try. This smells really good. Let's see how it feels. On the skin. It puts the lotion on its skin. Sorry. Okay. Not greasy. Smells great. This is great for travel. This is a great airport friendly. That smells really good. Airport friendly lotion, 2.25 ounces. So sweet pineapple and honey melon. That smells good. Okay, I've got the lashes. Two more things. Okay, so okay, Walmart. I know it's only quarterly, but I feel like I shouldn't have this again. I feel like this should not be in my bag because I just got this like 2 months ago, or from the last bag, the last box. This is Up the Volume. I swear I have this one. Hold up. I know I have this. Hold on. Yep. I already have it. Not only did they send me the same brand, they sent me the exact same product again. Neither of which I'm going to use. So obviously I have to find someone to give these to. Sulfate free, Up the Volume for hair you'll love, which is great. Shampoo and conditioner combo. I think it's great. But why did I just get 2 of them in the same year? My last box had that in it. I'm almost positive. Last but not least, Heritage by Mindy McKnight. Little headband for the winter. I guess because it's, you know, sweater material. It makes it winterized. Okay, so that's cute. I mean, you know, I'll pull my hair back if it works. I have to cut it out. Cut off things, and I don't have a knife right here right now. But we'll try it. We'll see how we like it. At least can take the paper off. It's not even 5 minutes. I'm already done. I've already griped and complained and everything. Oh, look at that. And I can just slide it on off. Alright, let's see how good this works on my sort of thick, not too bad hair. Oh, it's not too heavy. I mean, not too tight. This is not bad, actually. This is kind of cute. Maybe a little bit more hair right here. I mean, I'm just, you know, it's just for the video. I don't know why I'm trying. But yeah, holds the hair. And it's not too tight on my head because that will give me a headache. Because I'm a princess and a queen and my head is sensitive. Okay, cute. Not bad. I'm not real pleased with this box. I'm going to be honest. These are the only two things that I'm really going to be able to get use out of. Like I said, I might use this. I probably will forget. This one is energy multiplier, so that's different than the other ones, which are just hydration, but still the same brand. And this is like the 4th time I've gotten this. So I don't know if they're running out of things to give out or whatever. Because every time I go in there, which I don't go in there very often, but every time I go in there, I see new products. So in the, health and beauty area. So I'm not really sure why I'm not getting any of that new stuff. Because I don't need 15 of these. I can buy them. But I'm probably not going to because I keep forgetting that I have the free ones. Anyway, that's my thing. Is this coupon? No, it's not a coupon? Okay. I don't know. Maybe because we need more energy in the fall. This bothers me. This is not a bad sample. But still. Okay, now I'm just babbling. I have nothing else to show you, and I'm a little disappointed. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. Yeah, this is the Walmart Beauty Box unboxing. It is I think it's $6.98 altogether, or $6.96. You know how they do the numbers. Once every 3 months because it's quarterly, and that's the fall one. So today's September, October, November, December. In November, December, I'll get a winter one, I think. We'll see if that's any better. Otherwise, if I get another duplicate of one of these items, I'm going to cancel it because even though it's only $5 or $6, if I'm not going to use this stuff, then it's $5 or $6 wasted. I've gotten some interesting things, but to have had this 4 times, well, actually, I think it's only 3 because one time they sent me the same box twice, and this one broke. It burst inside the box, and something in that box was wet, so it jellified everything, which was weird. So actually I've only received it in different boxes 3 times, but that to me is still too much. And that's a work message. So I gotta go. Have a great day. Peace.